Okay, so we also have a section in the affiliate dashboard where you can track your commissions. Okay, so now this is a new account that I just created, so of course it doesn't have any. But let me bring up a screenshot of one that does, and we'll kind of go over the different sections here. Now you'll notice that we've got under performance, there's a section for total earnings. The commissions pending payment indicates how much money you have on the table that is waiting to be paid out. So these are all commissions that you've earned that have not yet been paid out. Now, below that is the section labeled commissions paid, and this is how much you've earned over the lifetime of your membership with our affiliate program. Now, you'll also notice that we have a section labeled accepted referrals pending payments, and that indicates how many referrals you have pending that still need to be paid. So there's 173 referrals that total up to $125 in commissions that still need to be paid. And then also, here you have a total of the number of referrals that were paid. So for the $338 that were paid, there were 759 referrals. And then, of course, we've got things broken down for you monthly. So you can see your earnings for any specific month, and those are totals as well.